Hi everybody, I'm Kathy and Massimino. This is my husband Anthony Massimino. We are owners of Remediation 911. We are a local South Florida company with 2 locations, one in Palm Beach County and one in Lee County, Florida.
Yeah, so we're really happy to say that we just celebrated our 10-year anniversary in November of 2023. As a family-owned business, we're proud to say that we've been serving Southwest Florida and Southeast Florida for the last 10 years. We have a perfect track record. We've never been sued. We've never sued. We have never had a complaint with the state or the Better Business Bureau. These are all things that are very important to us as a company that we work really hard on to make sure that we're servicing our clients properly.
We are here to help educate you on what to do before a storm happens, during the storm, and also after a storm.
One of the distinct differences with Remediation 911 is that I am a state licensed public adjuster that transitioned into remediation. There's very, very difficult navigation through insurance claims, and we're able to help all of our clients through that process without having to spend additional fees on a public adjuster or a law firm through the claim process.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we'll be educating the community on different events that could affect you, and we'd love to be able to help you.
We're going to be putting out videos with experts in our fields. We're going to be doing panel discussions that we're going to have on here. All this information is going to be imperative to you to help you preserve and protect your home against the loss.
And if you're experiencing any of these issues right now, please feel free to reach out to us at the numbers listed below. And you can also go to our website at remediation911.com.